Hey everybody, I'm doing a quick voiceover. I recorded this video once and the audio wasn't right, so now I have to do a voiceover. Please like and subscribe. Double Stack 1911. So, as you guys know, not too long ago, the OSightSE GRN just came out. I ordered it the other day, got it today, and we're going to open this box, see what it looks like. I assume it's going to be pretty much just like, you know, the regular OSight, except for with the green dot. Getting off the plastic here, as you can see. I'm a bit excited about this. I don't know which pistol I'm going to put it on yet. Same box as before. A little bit of warning. Not much to see there, though. Open it up. See the how to sight it in card. That's just like in the regular red dot version. Now this is new. I actually get a sticker. I opened that up, put that a big one on my laptop right away. There are actually 3 separate stickers. Looks like one big one, but it's 3 separate ones. Open this up, and I was reading the message here. It's basically a thank you. OSight thanks you for your business. Open it up here. There's the optic. Looks like the regular OSightSE. Oops, dropped it there. What I'm about to do is I'm going to open this up here shortly. Actually get a look at the green dot. You can see here, you compare this to your typical Holosun, because I've been traditionally a Holosun fan. We're going to compare it to what you get from there. So you see you get some screws, and you get the tool for sighting it in and checking the battery. With the Holosun, you don't get this many screws. So I was going through here, looking at the different screw types, how many there are of each. Right. So this first one, look, 6 screws in there. I think there's some long ones and some short ones, but yeah, it's like a, forget the number of that one. The last one, it's like a 6/32 or something like that. It's the one I generally use. It only had like 3. I don't know why that was. It's still a lot more than you get with your typical Holosun. And that is a metal tool. So generally when you get that tool, it's plastic. This one's metal. It's nice. What I'm trying to show you there is that on there is like a skull design. Can't really see it, but it's kind of cool. This is just the directions, plus there's a cloth in there. Cleaning it off, wiping it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to unscrew the tray that holds the battery so I can take that little piece of plastic out, so we can see what's up with that. Once I do that, it'll actually turn on. So one of the things I was talking about is I don't like that screw can come out. And what I mean by that is it's not like kept in there any kind of way. So if you put it in kind of loose, you take your pistol to the range and start shooting, and you lose that screw, you know. But I guess for about $150, you compare that to a Holosun, the EPS carry, I think they call it, and that's like 400 bucks, I think. So even if I bought two of these, all right, that's $300. I'm still saving $100. As far as I know, the quality has been pretty good. It's been awesome so far. You know, I haven't had it that long, so I already have the red dot, so I don't know, you know, I'm not really tough on them or anything, but we'll see. Yes. It's nice. So you can see there, be able to see the green dot here coming up. It's nice. Now what I'm about to do is I'm about to try to change it. Circle and a dot, circle no dot. But I'm gonna fidget with it for a while, and I'm not able to get that going, and it just dawned on me that maybe the green dot does not have that feature. So we'll see. But I am shortly going to show you what the dim looks like and what the bright looks like. And this is an RMSC footprint. So I actually have an Apollo 11 compact that I plan on putting it on. I think you guys have heard me say before, I like the shape of the gun, hate the customer service. I do it all over again and buy a Mac 9 DS. Yeah, looks like I'm shaking here. I think maybe I'm a little bit frustrated. It's taken me a little while to figure out here that it actually doesn't do the different reticle types. So here I'm showing you, I think, the smallest, the lightest setting. Like there's a little glare in there. Well, again, make sure you like and subscribe. Maybe leave some comments. Yeah, I have it on the smallest setting. You really can't see it right there to the video, but it is on the lightest, the smallest. Gets pretty small. Maybe I'll do a comparison. I have the Holosun 407K on my Stealth Arms Platypus. Maybe when I get this one installed, take them to the range, shoot them both, show a comparison. My Stealth Arms is pretty accurate though, but it won't be an accuracy test. It'll just be the optic. Well, thanks again. Please let me know if you'd like to see anything else. Have a great day.